This Sunday, the rivalry a million years in the making will finally be settled in the ring. The challenger, his rapacious lust for power, unlike anything the world has seen. The reigning champion, long considered inexhaustible, she's never faced a challenge like this. Will man meet his maker?
I'm gonna trash you.
Or will nature take the fall?
What is your problem?
Man versus nature. It'll be one mother of a fight.
Gentlemen, in the red corner, weighing in at 191 pounds, the king of carbon emissions, the master of natural disaster, Man! And in the blue corner, weighing in at 5 trillion metric tons, Mother Nature! All right, you two, I want a good, clean fight, okay? Nothing below the equator. Now tap gloves, get to your corner, and come out fighting. Is there a doctor in the house?